Hey guys, what's up? It's Synx here again. Welcome back to a third mission editor tutorial. And today I'm just going to briefly go over your file directories and where you can find everything that you need to manipulate your missions. And once you're complete with your mission, how to actually find the finished.pbo file and upload it to the server for Unite operations. Excuse me if I cough or clear my throat a lot. I'm catching something and not in the best shape right now. But nevertheless, if you just open up your editor real quick and plop down some unit, I'm not even sure if you have to do this to save or not. If we go over here and click save, if you remember, I believe it was the first or second tutorial, I told you the proper way of naming a mission. So I'll just make this one a fake co-op again. Okay, so first I'm going to save this as a user mission. So I'm going to go ahead and click OK for that. And now I'm going to go in and hit Export to Multiplayer Missions. The same name up here, hit OK. And for saving, that's all you need to do in the editor. So I'm going to close down Fraps, reset it up for my desktop, and I'll see you guys there. Okay, I'm back, and I've got it set up for my desktop. So since we saved it both as a user mission and as a multiplayer mission, I'm going to first show you how to get to your user mission section, which is where you're going to put in all your scripts and files for the mission itself. Because depending on what type of installation and where you got Arma 2 from, your directory for the multiplayer missions could be different. So the first thing to get to your user missions, just open up your Windows Explorer or your documents, whatever you want to call it, and go to Documents. Scroll down to Arma 2 Other Profiles. Should have your profile name here that you use or that you're actively using. Double click on that. Double click on Missions, and here it is. See pound the name. This is the what do you want to call it? This is the folder where all your scripts are going to go. It's got your mission.sqm file in here, which is essentially the automated script that accounts for all objects and units that are placed in the mission. Excuse me. Just as an example, I'll take you in and show you one of my already made missions. I'll go into Zavrak Slums. Again, I'll go over all this other stuff later, but you see here's my mission SQM, my init file, which has got a bit of code in it, description.ext, my briefing. Go in here, we've got some scripts that do various things, my gear scripts, all that good stuff, which may be overwhelming right now, but don't worry, you'll get the hang of it. So this is where you'll find the folder that you'll want to put your scripts in. And remember, it's Documents, Arma 2, Other Profiles, your name, Missions, and then you'll end up in this screen right here. If you don't, you know what to do. Just comment in the video. Other than that, I'm going to show you how to find your multiplayer missions now. So go ahead and open up your Windows Explorer again. Now, if you did it through Steam, it should work the same way. If not, then it could be something else. But if you did do it through Steam, then go into Program Files. I believe it's this 32-bit. Yes, it is. 32-bit Program Files, which is times 86. Go into your Steam. Sorry about that, phone's ringing. Oops. Okay. So where are we right now? Okay, we're at Program Files, the 32-bit Program Files. Go into your Steam folder. Go into Steam Apps. Common. It's this right here. Arma 2 Operation Arrowhead. And then you come to this. Your main directory for all of this. Go into MP Missions. And here you are. This is it right here, the CEO ##, and then the name. This is where you would access your complete PBO file once you're done editing everything in the editor, and once you're done initializing and integrating all of your scripts. You go back into the editor, you save it to your mission files one last time, save it to your multiplayer, um, or export it to your multiplayer missions one last time, and then to get the completed mission, just come in here to this directory that I just showed you, and it should be in here. See, how are we doing on time? This doesn't show me. Oh, yes, it does. Okay, we're good. Um, just as a quick example, I'm going to show you how to upload it to the final test server for it to be uploaded once you're done, just for future references. And what you're going to need is a program called FileZilla. It's just Google it. It's easy to find. It's the only thing out there called FileZilla. So you open that up once you have it, and here it is. Oh, I don't want to update. Now, if you look on the forums under mission submission area, it'll have the host name and username and password. I'm not gonna do that right now, just because, but I'm sure you can see what I'm typing. And now I'm accessed into the mission archives for UO. And once you're done and have your complete PBO, you hit the plus sign, go into testing 1, cascade that, and double click on the final folder. And this is the folder that contains all of the finished PBOs that are currently in the submission process to get onto whatever server you're submitting it to. So all you have to do is get your PBO, drag it, and drop into the final, and that's it. Here it is in there. I'm just going to delete it though. That's how you submit it, and then there's a submission process you have to go through on the forums, which I'm not going to get into right now. That's also in that forum post that you can find. But other than that, that is the entire saving process for making missions and submitting them. I hope you keep that in mind when you're doing it so you don't mess up, and thanks for watching. See you.